Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You ask Gemini a question and the answer is confident, well written, and completely wrong. This is one of the most frustrating AI experience you can ever go through, and surprisingly very common. But the truth is, Gemini doesn't know anything, it predicts patterns when it lacks sufficient context or the prompt is basically vague. It fills gaps with what it seems for it that it's correct, leading to many basically different contexts, weird answers, and all of this. According to Google Cloud Community thread, devs noticed a strong quality decrease with Gemini 2.0 flash search in April 2nd, 2025, with correctness dropping from 85 to 70% on their test without any code changes. This suggests model behavior can shift even when you don't change anything. But the good news is that most wrong answers are totally fixable from the user's end. Let me show you how. First, diagnose the failure type. Before you can fix it, name it. Most Gemini errors fall into categories. Format drift, you ask for bullet points, then you got paragraphs. Tone mismatch, you want it, for example, concise, you got flowery. Fabricated facts, confident but wrong statements, or even fake citations. I would consider this social media infos. We also have the instructions ignored, the model didn't follow your constraints at all. You can use the 7-step prompt debugging process. Start with the goal in one sentence at the top. Models weigh the beginning of prompts safely, then lock the format with explicit constraints and examples. If you need the actual text from Gemini, say be concise and accurate or avoid hallucinations. For citations, add if you are unsure, say I don't know, don't fabricate sources, and all of this. Then you can also add a self-check task, reduce context window size, and that's all of it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.